Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. Since a few days, people are having issues using the YouTube app on their older devices such as your iPhone 6, 6 Plus, iPhone 5s or any other iPad which is running iOS 12.5.8. When you try to open YouTube and you try to play something, you're getting this no stream tap to retry error. No matter what you do, it stays there, and in this video we will fix it. The method shown in this video is completely free and it is for educational and informational purposes with the only aim to make these older devices usable again for everybody. If you are following me since my previous fixes on the YouTube app on these older devices, we tried to install the UPIP tweak which fixed the 1 minute stuck problem on these older versions and devices. So if you are watching this video for the very first time and you want to fix YouTube, you will have to jailbreak your device. The jailbreak guide is in the description for you. Simply jailbreak it and you will get Celio. Simply open the Celio app and then head to sources. From there, first of all, install or add the boomsmarts.github.io/repo source, and then you will also have to add the big boss repo. You are seeing these repos on your screen for your ease, and then you can simply hit this plus button, simply type them here and then hit add source. Once these are added, you are good to go. From the boomsmarts repo, you will have to go to all categories, and then from there you will have to install first the YouTube legacy. This tweak is completely free. You can install it first, and then you will have to install UPIP. Alright, yes, for the time being you will have to install it. Once it is installed, go to sources again, then open the big boss repo. Then from the big boss repo you will have to install the apps manager package. Simply get it from here, get, then queue and confirm to install this package. Once installed, hit on done. Now go back, and if you have YouTube open in the background, simply open the app switcher and close it from here. Now open the apps manager. You will see YouTube here. Scroll and then hit wipe. Hit on wipe again. Now hit on backup, then simply backup data. Now close apps manager. Now open Celio. Go to search for pip, and then simply remove this package. Uninstall it, confirm to remove this package. Now restart Springboard. Simply get in. Now open the YouTube app. Alright. Now let's search for something. Let's play it. You can see the counter here. The video is now playing, but it will again get stuck after 1 minute. You can check out the counter here. It is now buffering and it is not working. Now quit out of the YouTube app from the app switcher. Now open the apps manager. Go to YouTube app from there, and then don't wipe this time. Simply hit on restore and then hit the restore. Alright, now close the apps manager and open YouTube now. Now let me search for something. Now let's play it. Alright, as you can see, it is working. You can see the counter. It is running. Now let's go past 1 minute. Alright, you can see it is working. Actually, it worked after about 5 to 6 tries. I needed to quit the app and then start it again, and you can see it is working. You can see the counter. We are past 1 minute, and now I have noticed that if it works, it will keep on working. Now, for example, I will stop it and then quit out of the app. Alright, I will open it again. Now we will play something. You can see the counter running. Alright, now let's go past 1 minute from here, and you can see it works. You can see the counter. It is running and we are past 1 minute. Let's go here and see if it works. Yes, it is working. I have noticed that it works when you are logged out or signed out. I have tried signing in and the problem of 1 minute stuck comes back. You can try signing in and let me know in the comments if that works for you. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section, and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.